ये चॉकलेट किसके लिए है? Who is this chocolate for? Who is this chocolate for? ये आपके लिए है. These are for you. These are for you. क्या ये मेरे लिए है? Is this for me? Is this for me? ये तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है. It is not for you. It is not for you. ये किसी और के लिए है. It is for somebody else. It is for somebody else. मुझे लगा कि ये मेरे लिए है. I thought it was for me. I thought it was for me. ये आपके लिए है. It is for you. It is for you. मैं नहीं चाहता कि तुम हार मान लो. I don't want you to give up. I don't want you to give up. हार मत मानो. Don't give up. Don't give up. कभी हार मत मानो. Never give up. Never give up. सच में आज मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी समय नहीं है. I don't really have time today. I don't really have time today. तुम हमेशा बहुत व्यस्त रहते हो. You are always too busy. You are always too busy. मैं तुम्हें घर ले जाना चाहता हूँ. I wanna take you home. I wanna take you home. क्या हम कहीं और चल सकते हैं? Can we go somewhere else? Can we go somewhere else? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मैं तुम्हारे साथ आऊँगा. I'll come with you. I'll come with you. ये खाना बहुत अच्छा है. This food is so good. This food is so good. आपके बैग में क्या है? What's in your bag? What's in your bag? मेरी बैग में कुछ भी नहीं है. I have nothing in my bag. I have nothing in my bag. अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going now? Where are we going now? हम मुंबई जा रहे हैं. We are going to Mumbai. We are going to Mumbai. वह फिल्म डरावनी थी. That movie was scary. That movie was scary. मुझे डर लग रहा है. I'm getting scared. I'm getting scared. मुझे भूतों से डर लगता है. I'm afraid of ghosts or I'm scared of ghosts. I'm afraid of ghosts or I'm scared of ghosts. तुमने मुझे डरा ही दिया. You scared me. You scared me. मुझे भी ठीक वैसा ही लगता है. I feel exactly the same way. I feel exactly the same way. अगर तुम मेरी स्थिति में होते तो तुम क्या करते? If you were in my situation, what would you do? If you were in my situation, what would you do? आपको इतना समय क्यों लगा? Why did it take you so long? Why did it take you so long? माफ़ करना, मुझे देर हो गई. मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था. I'm sorry I'm late. I was stuck in traffic. I'm sorry I'm late. I was stuck in traffic. Do one thing at a time, and while doing it, Put your whole soul into it to the exclusion of all else. एक समय में एक काम करो और ऐसा करते समय अपनी पूरी आत्मा उसमें डाल दो और बाकी सब कुछ भूल जाओ.